In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your chess.com rating history using stats. If you've ever wondered how your Blitz, Rapid, or Bullet rating has changed over time, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to make sense of what you see. First, head to chess.com and make sure you're signed in. From any page, move your cursor to the top left corner and hover over the chess.com logo. That hover opens a navigation menu. Without wandering elsewhere, slide your mouse down that menu and click on Stats. That's your gateway to a personalized performance hub, where your results, trends, and progress are organized in one convenient place. Once you're on your stats page, scroll down to find the different game types. You'll see categories like Blitz, Rapid, and Bullet, and possibly others depending on what you play. Think of this section as your time control dashboard. Blitz covers fast games with short time limits, Rapid gives you a bit more time to think, and Bullet is the lightning fast format where every move counts under pressure. Choose the mode you care about so the information you explore lines up with how you actually play. Now to see your rating history, click directly on the game type you want or click the graph displayed for that category. This opens a detailed view of your rating changes over time. You'll see a clear timeline with dates along the bottom and rating values on the side. Peaks show your high points, dips reveal tougher stretches, and the overall curve helps you spot whether you're trending up, leveling off, or bouncing back from a slump. As you move your mouse across the line, you'll be able to pinpoint exact ratings on specific dates, which is useful for connecting improvements to practice streaks, opening prep, or coaching sessions. If you'd like to compare different time controls, return to the same stats area and select another game type. Each mode keeps its own rating curve, so your rapid performance won't mix with Blitz or Bullet. This separation makes it easier to identify where you're strongest and where a focused training plan could help the most. While you're reviewing the graph, pay attention to patterns like steady climbs during consistent play or plateaus that suggest it's time to revisit fundamentals. And that's all you need. Hover over the logo, open stats, scroll to your game types, and click into the graph. With just a few simple actions, you can track how your rating has evolved and use those insights to guide your next steps in training and competition.